Also, even considering the difference in use of terminology, autistic versus neurodivergent versus introvert, or autistic versus neurotypical versus extrovert, we'll have to be working from the same fundamental understanding of what neurodiversity is and isn't, or none of this matters. It's like if one person thinks homophobia is only when people kill queer and trans people, one person thinks it's only individual instances of homophobia that happen between two people, and one person sees it as a systemic issue that happens in micro ways. It's not that the other two people are necessarily wrong. However, it's clear that they are missing critical information to have a more nuanced and true to life understanding of homophobia and how it fundamentally shapes how we exist in the world. It's the same with neurodiversity. If you only understand it to mean neurological diversity, and if you see it, neurodiversity, as politics only for people diagnosed with mental illnesses or mental disorders, you're not necessarily wrong. However, you're missing both the forest and the trees here. This is also true if you see neurodiversity as strictly an academic endeavor that only academics and mental health professionals can and should have any opinion on. Like, yes, academics and mental health professionals should be critically engaging with neurodiversity. However, neurodiversity is a civil rights movement, which means that the people for whom ableism and eugenics, among other things, have the most negative impact on in the mental health industry, those people should have more say in the discussion, especially if they aren't cis het holistic white men.